In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT. Image generation not working. If ChatGPT isn't generating images properly, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by a connection problem, a temporary limit, a browser conflict, or an app issue. We're going to go through the most effective fixes in a simple, practical order so you can get image generation working again as quickly as possible. First, go to ChatGPT and check your internet connection. Image generation usually needs a stable connection, so if your internet is weak or cutting in and out, that alone can cause the request to fail. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try generating the image again to see whether the problem improves. Next, confirm that your plan supports image generation. Make sure you're signed in to the correct ChatGPT account and verify that your current plan includes access to image generation. Depending on your subscription and current usage limits, some features may not be available. After that, refresh ChatGPT. If you're on the web, reload the page. If you're using the mobile app, completely close it and reopen it, then retry the same prompt. A quick refresh often clears temporary glitches. You should also check your usage limits. If you've generated a lot of images recently, you may have reached your limit for the moment. If that's the case, the best option is to wait until the limit resets and then try again. Another common fix is to simplify your prompt. Very long or highly detailed prompts can sometimes fail. Try using shorter, clearer instructions, remove unnecessary details, and if needed, break the request into smaller parts. Also, verify that your prompt follows the guidelines. If the request includes unsupported content or conflicts with usage policies, image generation may not go through. Adjust the prompt and try again. If you're using the mobile app, update ChatGPT through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then restart the app after updating. If you're on a browser, clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and sign in again. You can also test ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. It's also a good idea to temporarily disable browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or VPN and proxy extensions. Then reload ChatGPT and test image generation again. If the issue continues, try a different browser or device. Switching to Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, or testing the mobile app or another computer can help you identify whether the problem is specific to one setup. Finally, check the OpenAI status page for outages or maintenance. And if nothing works, open help in ChatGPT, go to the Help Center or contact support and share the error message, your device and browser, screenshots if possible, and the prompt you used if appropriate.